Charlie was right though. This thing does take off really quick. It takes off about as quick as yours with the flaps on, you know?
Yeah. I think it takes off in half the distance.
Is it about half the distance?
Seems pretty short. I mean, mine could take off shorter, but I just don't gun it.
This motor doesn't seem to be dying out at all. So I'm gonna keep flying.
It probably doesn't take much battery at all.
No.
As slow as it can fly? I mean, what do you think you're using? Half throttle?
Not even half.
Yeah, I bet this thing will fly for 20 minutes. I don't even think you should stop at this one. Until you lose radio range.
Hey, when I take off, I'm not even full throttle when I take off. Is that kind of a cool shot?
I don't know. Hopefully the phone got it. All I'm doing is pointing.
Just pointing?
I'm just pointing. I can't see the screen.
To me, this is boring flight time, but it's still fun. I love it. I can do this all day, and every time I say this, I crash. That's what, maybe 20? 20 miles an hour?
That's like 15 miles an hour.
Should I go wide open? Should I see what you can do?
I think if we had a wet belt on the golf cart, we could keep up with this thing.
Pretty fast.
Yeah.
Maybe 25.
I bet that little red one scoots.
Yeah, I bet it does.
It's gotta be. It's so small. Well, we got another airplane fixed with no money invested.
Should start a fucking business.
It's our plane now, Charlie.
Yeah. Hey, you hear that, Charlie?
That was good.
Yeah, I'm happy. Let's call it a day with this one.
There you have it. The new Super Cub from Hobby Co.
That's right.
On sale at your local hobby store.
Comes with a 1/4 inch of dust, too.
Yep. And old rubber bands.